It's Juvenis.
Oh my job, baby, no. Oh my job, yeah. Oh my job, baby, no. I'm Peter.
I'm Victor.
I'm David.
I'm Festus.
And we are
Smooth Boys.
Keep watching
Juvenis
and keep vibing.
Juvenis.
Yeah, good day viewers, this is JuvenisTV once again. Today I will take you on fruit fried rice, so just stay tuned. Yeah, so first thing first, you have your grind oil to your fry pan. And you add your rice. And start frying. Yes. Okay, now I know some of you will be wondering what's this guy's name? What's magic is it performing? Yes, so this is another method of actually frying fried rice. So you fry till a point that you start adding water and your spice to it. Okay. 2 spoons of salt. Yeah, 1 teaspoon of fried rice spice. Depending on the quantity. Yeah, half clove of garlic, turmeric. Okay. Then you stir. Yeah. Yeah, 1 cube of seasoning. Yeah, your rosemary flour. Coriander. So now that we've set to a point, start adding water bit by bit. Then cover it. Light to boil, to steam up. That's it now. As you can see, boiling already. Then we had pepper. Let's see for tamarind pepper as well. Depending on what you want. Remember, you keep stirring till you get the actual results we're looking for. Okay? Most of you were wondering, this looks like fried rice. Yes, it's a bit of fried rice and a bit of fried rice. So, using the old recipe. Then you add water again. There. cover. You're back again. Check your eyes. You make sure it doesn't get burnt. So that's why you keep staring, keep checking. So accurately, you have to be on your toes. Yes. The next thing we're adding right now, we're adding onion. Yes. 2 teaspoons of onion. Bright and white onion. You see the aroma is great. So great. Alright, so we'll add our water. Let's say. And what? The cover. Butter, alright? Yes. We are almost there. Almost. Almost there. Add water to it again. And cover it. Okay. Yes, as you can see, we're almost there. Like I said, you keep stirring until you have that texture you're looking for. You understand? And you keep adding water. It's a whole lot of process. So right now we're almost there. So this is the last cup of water I will be adding. And I stir once more. Yeah, I add my coconut. Like I said, it's a twist of this one. And my apple. Green peas. Then 1 ring onion. 4 ring onion. Yes. All right. It's ready. So you cover it, I like to steam. Next one.
watching JuvenisTV. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Watch out.
It's a happiness for me and my wife. We go live our mama, live our papa, go join together.
Take my hands, let me show you sweet places. Baby, no time to love, let's share it together. It's so cold outside, I need someone to hold. Come on, baby, make we do the dance. Come on, baby, make we do the dance. Love the way you boogie down. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, baby. Baby,
Will you be my Valentine? Stay with me till the end of time. Like the life-living fairy tale, like the moon and sun that shines, we will live happy ever after.
Oreke lewa
Ọmọge,
adumara bon.
ìwọ ni mo fẹ́ bá lọ.
You're the one that's for me. The smile alone makes me come alive. You're my better half, baby. This is coming from my heart. I don't want you, but I need you. Never want to be apart. Baby, I promise to never leave you.
Stay with me till the end of time. Like the life-living fairy tale, like the moon and sun that shines, we will live happy ever after.
This is coming from my heart. I don't want you, but I need you. Never want to be apart. Baby, I promise that I'll be true to you. Yeah.
We thank you for commenting on our videos. Please keep commenting. If you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so for regular updates. Keep watching Juvenis and keep buying Juvenis.
Juvenis is published bi-monthly by Peanuts Communications Limited. For enquiries, event coverage or advert placement, call 0803 360 8271, 0805 787 1199, 0702 811 3638 or 0808 152 4499 or visit www.juvenis.peanuts.net. Juvenis Magazine, inspiring the young at heart.